right. Right, children. So 19 students. Anyways, I need Lavanya to just recapitulate what we have studied till now. Kindly just recapitulate.
So we were studying this chapter called "In the Kingdom of Fools." In this chapter, the all the people are fools. The king and the minister. The everything is reversed in this kingdom. The day is night and the night is day. People in that kingdom sleep in the daytime and do their work in the night. And the king will punish them if they don't follow the rules. And they, out of fear, they have to they have to
Follow the rules.
they have to follow the rules. Thank you. And the two strangers of Guru and his discipline came to this place, this kingdom. And when they went there, the Guru was very surprised. He was astonished because nowhere he had seen that people over here they do everything differently. But the discipline, he was very happy because everything over there
Just
was.
wait a minute, Lavanya. Wait a minute. What word are you using for the disciple? It's disciple. Can you see? I've highlighted it over here. It's disciple. It's not discipline. What are you saying? Disciple. Speak it properly. All right. Continue.
The disciple was happy because everything over there was of the same price, 2 rupees, and he was very foodie. He used to love food, so he was like, I will stay over
Ah,
here.
I'll stop you again. Is there
One
children?
rupee.
Yes. Is there a mention of rupees here? 2 rupees?
Ma'am,
What are
you
you
do.
saying? Yeah, the word is, though it is very funny, I know we feel like laughing every time we say it, but then is there in the chapter, what do we do? Right? So the correct term, and you can't use the word rupee in your paper also. This word dudu has to be used. Understood? Okay, continue. Continue, Lavanya. What happened? Okay.
May I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
May I?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Uh,
So, ma'am, in
okay.
the
Okay, who's speaking? Let me know.
May
Swapnil.
I? Ma'am, Mira.
Okay, Meera, bolo.
Ma'am, after the disciple entered in the kingdom, they saw that everyone was asleep and working, uh, and and there was no one in the kingdom, and not even a mouse was chattering there, and the guru don't like the system of the town and left the town, but the disciple wanted the cheap food, so he stayed in the town and don't and didn't listen to his guru's advice. After that, after some time, there was a thief who was uh, who was looking at the at, who was
Rich merchant.
a rich merchant's house from a hole, and a wall fall on him, and his brother goes to the king and complained about his brother's death, and the king said that the justice has to be done, and called
Okay.
uh,
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Meera. Now, Giriraj, please continue. Please continue. What happens after that? Giriraj, can you hear me?
Ma'am, may
Giriraj,
I?
Ma'am, may I?
okay. Who is it?
Ma'am,
Niyati,
Ma'am, Praisal.
Razel, Swapna. Swapna, तुम बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, Swapnil.
Swapnil always answers. Very good. Okay, so baby Swapnil, you can continue. Then what happens?
Ma'am, as the thief enters, ma'am, the walls fall on it, and he dies on the spot. And then
Hmm.
the the thief's brother, whosoever was there, ma'am, he goes to the kingdom and asks for justice
Hmm.
from king. Then the king says that your justice will be done and the person will be punished. Don't worry. And then he says, and then the king calls the person who made that wall.
Messenger.
Hmm.
Call messenger.
And then, ma'am, the king says to that person that you were the one, you are the one who killed the person, an innocent man, and you are a murderer. And then he says that you built this wall, and because of you this person has died. Then that person says that no, I did will build the wall, but it was not me, it was not the mean that I wanted to kill that person man. He
Okay. Okay, beta, stop. Praisal, continue.
Ma'am, ma'am, the thief's brother go to the kings and said, my brother was doing the Asian trade and a wall on him and he was died at the spot. And then the king called the rich merchant and the merchant said that it was not my fault. It was built in my father's time and I know who built it because he built it very weak. I know he's an old person. He lives besides my house. Then the king told through his messengers to bring the bricklayer, bricklayer. And then when he came, king told him that a wall fall him because you made the wall weak. And then the bricklayer take some time and said that it was not my fault. It was the fault of dancing girl because I know when I was making the wall, the dancing girl, angle jingles were not able to do my work.
she
I
was
was not.
going up and down the road.
Up and down. Okay. Yeah, correct. So अब ऐसे तो पूरा period ही निकल जाएगा. So now we know the bricklayer blamed the dancing girl. The dancing girl blamed the bolo. The dancing girl blamed
The
the
goldsmith.
Named the
very good.
goldsmith.
Yeah, and the goldsmith he blamed the
Rich
The
merchant.
owner of the house.
the rich merchant himself. So the king says that the justice has come full circle. That whosoever started off wherever I started off, now ultimately I find out that the culprit is the same thing, right? इससे
But
आगे भी हमने कर लिया है.
But ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, we have done
Yes,
the
ma'am.
till the disciple was called for the execution.
Okay, okay. Yes, who's this
Ma'am,
boy? What do you want? Yeah.
ma'am. But the merchant also blamed his father.
Yes, beta, you are right. But obviously that merchant is dead ना, तो वो तो बोल नहीं पाएगा. तो what he means by full circle is that initially who was called? Initially it was the merchant who was called, and he kept on blaming the other people. But finally also it came to be known that it was the merchant's fault only. So this is how it has come full circle. शुरू सी सर्कल कैसा होता है यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट एंड यू रीच बैक टू द सेम पॉइंट only then it becomes a circle. So similarly the king's investigation started from the merchant and it has now reached back to the merchant only. This is what it means. So now we know that the merchant was to be blamed, and the king said that you have inherited your father's riches as well as his sins also. So now you will be executed at the stake. But then suddenly a problem arrives that that merchant was too thin to be executed on the stake. So the minister said that this person cannot be executed because he is very thin. So they decided, now he's thin. Now can you see the foolishness? Just because you can't execute someone, you execute somebody else, right? In spite of finding out whether that person is, he's a criminal or he's committed a crime, or whether he's guilty or innocent, you simply execute him. So now ultimately कौन फंस जाता है? The disciple, just because he was very fat, and we know that he had this love of eating, he loved to eat food. So he was eating all bananas, rice, wheat and ghee for months. He had been eating, so he was very plumpy. So it was now decided that the disciple is going to be executed. अच्छा, अब बताओ किसने एक बार भी नहीं बोला है आज क्लास में? वैष्णवी? अच्छा, नियति, वैष्णवी के बाद तुम पढ़ोगे. वैष्णवी, कैन यू अनम्यूट योर माइक और एल्स गिव मी सम?
Yes, ma'am.
या वैष्णवी, वेरी गुड. सो रीड. यहाँ से पढ़ो बेटा.
What?
या
What have I done? I am innocent. I am a sannyasi, he cried. That may be true, but it's the royal decree that we should find a man fat enough to fit the scale. They said, and carried him to the place of execution. He remembered his wise guru words. This is a city of fools who don't know what they will do next. While he was waiting for death, he prayed to his guru in his heart, asking him to hear his cry. Wherever he was, the guru saw everything in a vision. He had magic powers. He could see far and he could see the future as he could see the present and the past. He arrived at once to save the disciple who had got himself into such a scrape through love of food.
Okay, good, Vaishnavi. Though you have made some mistakes in reading, it is scrape and execution and decree, right? तो बेटा यहाँ पे focus words हैं decree, scrape and of course execution. Decree means order. So the disciple, he starts saying that, why are you executing me? I have not done anything wrong. So the bailiff, he says that is true, but the royal order is, the royal decree is that a fat man is to be hanged on the stake, and
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
fat enough. So he was carried to the palace for execution. And now is the time when he remembered his guru's words that this is a city of fools, you should not stay here. You don't know what they're going to do to you next. So what he did, he started praying to his guru. And the guru, he saw everything in a vision. Now this vision also is a focus word, children. Don't say that he knew everything and all. He saw everything in a vision. ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा आंसर में. And he had magic powers also, so he could see the present, past, future. So he knew that my disciple is in trouble. So he immediately arrived to save his disciple, who had got himself into such a scrape. Scrape is a difficult situation. So the disciple had come into a difficult situation just because he loved food. The main reason why he wanted to stay there was because food was very cheap. It was for one dudu only. So he decided to stay here. And today, because of his love of food, the disciple is in a very difficult situation. He is going to be executed. आप पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हैं डिसाइबल कितना मोटा ताजा हो गया है just by eating so much of food. Anyways, Niyati, continue.
As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple and told him something in whisper. Then he went to the king and addressed him, "O wisest of the kings, who is greater, the king, the guru, or the disciple?" "Of course the guru, no doubt about it. Why do you ask?" "Then put me to the stake first. Put my disciple to the death after me." When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor, "Me first! You brought me here first. Put me to the death first, not him."
Yeah, continue. Are you not willing to read?
The guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. The king was puzzled by his behavior. He asked the guru, why do you want to die? We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi. Very well read. So now what happens? The guru comes. Now the first thing he does is he scolds the disciple that, you know, I told you not to stay here, still you stayed here, and now you are in a scrape. And after that he tells something to the disciple in a whisper. वो कुछ whisper करते हैं उसके कान में, and then he goes to the king and he addresses the king. He says to the king, "Oh wisest of kings, who is greater? Is the guru greater or the disciple?" So of course the king says the guru is greater. So why are you asking? So he says, if the guru is greater, then you put me to the stake first and you put my disciple to death after me. Now, when the disciple had heard this, they have already made some plan because, you know, he was whispering in his ear. So he started clamoring. Clamoring is jab aap, you start showing that you are very impatient. So he starts shouting. He says, no, me first. You got me here first. You have to put me to death first, not him. तो वो impatience दिखाने लग जाते हैं. Now the guru and the disciple, they start fighting that who's going to die first. Now obviously we are also puzzled. The king also got very puzzled that what kind of a behavior is this? Everybody is afraid to die. Now this guru and this disciple, they are fighting as who wants to die first. So he asked the guru, why do you want to die? I know why I chose this disciple, because he is very fat and so he has to go on the stake. But why are you willing to die instead of your disciple? So let's say what the guru says. Who will read now?
Hi, ma'am.
May I read? May I
Okay.
read?
Aditya.
May I?
Okay, first Aditya will read, then Manya will read.
Ma'am, from you should you shouldn't ask me such question. Put me to the death first, replied the guru. Why? There's some mystery here. A wise man, you must make me understood. Will you promise to put me to the death if I tell you? Asked the guru. The king gave him his solemn word. The guru took him aside out of servant's earshot and whispered to him, do you know why we want to die right now? The two of us, we have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. That stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Whoever die on it first will be reborn as the king of this country, and whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. Where we have we ever we are sick of our ascetic life. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as a king and minister for a while. Now keep your word, my lord, and put me to the death. Me first, remember.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. So now the king gets very suspicious and he's asking that why these two people, they are fighting to die. So he takes the guru aside and he says, please, you have to make me understand why you people want to die. So the guru very cleverly, he says that, will you promise you will put me to death first if I tell you that अगर मैं तुम्हें बता देता हूँ तो आप पहले मुझे ही मारेंगे. So the king gave him his solemn word. Solemn word is promise. So the king promised. So the guru took him aside. Guru usko side में ले जाते हैं where the servants can't hear him, and then he whispered to him. He says, you know why I want to die? Because I have been all over the world, but I have never found a city like this, nor a king like you. So this is such a nice city and you are such a nice king. And this stake, it is not an ordinary stake. It is the stake of the God of justice. And it is new. There has never been any criminal on it. Now, whoever will die on it first will be reborn. वो अगले जन्म में he will be reborn as the king of this country, and whoever dies next will be reborn as the minister of the country. And then the guru says, we are sick of our ascetic life. Ascetic होता है सन्यासी. तो गुरु बोलते हैं मैं अपनी सन्यासी की लाइफ से तंग आ चुका हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल एंजॉय नहीं कर सकता, खाने के लिए भी मांगना पड़ता है, आई डोंट हैव अ प्लेस टू लिव, आई रोम अबाउट हियर एंड देयर. एंड ही सेज इट वुड बी सो नाइस नो इफ आई कुड एंजॉय माई सेल्फ एज द किंग एंड द फ्यूचर मिनिस्टर फॉर अ वाइल. And then he says, now you know, keep your word, I have told you the secret, now you put me to death, and just remember that you have to put me to death first, right? Okay, Manya, read.
The king was now thrown into deep thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He needed time. So he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. It's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Let's go on this stake ourselves and we'll be reborn as king and minister again. Holy men do not tell lies, he said, and the minister agreed. So he told the executioners, we'll send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake.
Okay, thank you, Manya. So now when the king hears this, we all know he was a fool. So rather than thinking that it might be a sort of a trap, he was thrown into a deep thought. वो सोचने लग जाता है. Now he didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. So he thinks, why should I lose this kingdom to somebody else in the next life also? अगले जन्म में भी मैं ही क्यों ना राजा बनूं? Now he needed time to think. So first he orders that the execution should be postponed. It should be done on some other day and to the next day. And he starts talking in secret with his minister. And he says, it's not right for us to give our kingdom to others in the next life. कि हम अपने kingdom को किसी और को क्यों दें अगले जन्म के लिए? चलो हम stake पे चले जाते हैं. And then I will be reborn as king and you will be reborn as the minister. And he says, holy men never tell lies. ये जो guru है, he is a holy man. So he is never going to tell lies. And the minister also agreed. Minister says, हाँ, your highness, yeah, king, whatever you are saying, it is absolutely right. So the king and the minister, they went and they told the executioners that we'll send the criminals tonight. हम criminals को आज भेजेंगे और जो पहला इंसान तुम्हारे पास आएगा तुम उसको पहले मारना और फिर जो सेकंड आदमी आएगा उसको दोबारा स्टेक पे चढ़ा देना. And those are the orders. And don't make any mistake. Okay, now last, who will read?
May I read?
Who is not? Akshita has also. Anuraj, yes. Anuraj will read. Anuraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and the disciple disguised themselves as the two and as arranged beforehand with loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed.
Yeah, continue.
Yes, ma'am. When the bodies were taken down to the throne to crows and vultures, the people panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. All night they found and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. We people need a king and a minister, said someone. Others agreed. They begged the guru and the disciple to be the king and the minister.
I don't know what the problem of your class with this word is. तुमने मेरे मुंह से whatever you are saying कभी सुना? It's all disciple. Disciple बोलने में क्या problem है तुम लोगों को? It's been 3 days since we've been reading this word and you people have not picked it up till now. Anyways, So now we see कि किंग जो है उसको अब actually the king he shows his foolishness. He has come into the trap. He has fallen into the trap of the guru. So the king and the minister they secretly went to the prison. They released the guru and the disciple. तो वो गुरु और उसके disciple को release कर देते हैं. खुद गुरु और disciple की तरह disguise हो जाते हैं. उनके जैसे कपड़े पहन लेते हैं. And जैसे उन्होंने पहले लॉयल सर्वेंट्स को बोला था, उन्होंने क्या बोला था, दैट वील सेंड 2 people at night today ना, hang them. They were taken to the stake and they were executed. Now those servants were very loyal, so as the first person came they executed him and the second person was executed, and the bodies were taken to be thrown to the crows and the vultures. The people panicked. Why? Because they suddenly realized that our king and the minister they are dead, because they could see the dead body. Now the city was in confusion. So the whole night they mourned. Mourned hota hai dukh manana. The people were mourning and they were discussing the future of the kingdom. Now who's going to rule? There is no king. And then some people they thought of the guru and the disciple and they caught up with them. Caught up with them मतलब उनके पास गए. जब वो जा रहे थे तो उनको पकड़ लिया. Not literally, but उनको उनके पास पहुंच गए as they were preparing to leave, and they said that we need a king and a minister. And others also agreed that yes, we do need a king and a minister. So they begged the guru and the disciple to be their king and the minister. Now it didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Persuade hota hai manana. Ab disciple to ekdam se maan gaya, because you see he is having the best part of his life, you know. He is eating also now. Suddenly he'll become the minister also. But the guru again was wise. It took longer to persuade him because guru did not want to fall into worldly things of ruling a kingdom and all. But finally he also agrees and he says that there is going to be one condition, and the condition is that all the old laws that they have made, that everything will be available for one to do, and that day is night and night is day, all those laws have to be changed. And from then on, night again became night and day again became day, and you could get nothing for one to do, and it became like any other place. So that was all about the story, The Kingdom of Fools. Now, if there are any doubts, children, you can ask me. Any doubts? Please ask me, children. Okay, if there are no doubts, the time is also about to end. So maybe we can do 1 or 2 questions, and then tomorrow we'll be doing rest of the questions and value-based questions. So who will answer? What are the 2 strange things the guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Who will answer?
May I?
Okay, so many. Just write in the chat box. जो सबसे पहले लिखेगा उस स्वप्निल बोलो.
Ma'am, that the days were changed to night. Everyone had to work in the night time, and everything was bought for only one dudu.
Yeah, that's so simple, this answer. All right. Second is, why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea? मीराब ने बोला सबसे.
Ma'am, the disciple decides to live in the kingdom because he wanted the cheap food was sold in the kingdom, and it was not a good idea because his guru had advised that the fools will do. ऐसे कुछ कहा था मैम उसने. Fools will. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please tell me this portion. Is it a good idea?
Ma'am, no, because because it is not advised to stay with fools, because you also don't know what they will do to you next.
Exactly. Very good, children. And that was all for today's class. In tomorrow's class, please read the chapter again. We are going to discuss the rest of the questions and some extra questions. All right. Thank you so much. Now you may leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
Nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, good day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.